Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Express Commercial Cutaway. The Chevrolet Express Commercial Cutaway van, flexibility and durability are hallmarks of the 4500 chassis, as it was engineered to support the needs of 3 primary applications: school buses, shuttle buses, and ambulances. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear-wheel drive, steel wheels, tires front all season, tires rear all season, traction control, backup camera. Experience the exhilaration of freedom on the open road.